Hello students, today we will study the method for solving the physics problems using the Newton's second law. This is the topic of the 11th physics. Okay, let's start. So our topic is to solve the physics problems by the Newton's second law. Okay, yeah. So to solve these problems we take an example. Okay, it will be easy for us. So let's take a common physics problem to understand this law. You all know F is equals to ma is Newton's second law, where F is the force on a body of mass m and a is the acceleration produced in it. Okay, this is the Newton's second law. I think all of you know what is Newton's second law, that is F is equals to ma simply. Okay, how to apply this law we will study in this class. Okay, yeah. So this is our problem. What is our problem? That is, what are the acceleration of masses m1 and m2? Where is m1 and m2? This is your m1 and it is your m2, such that m1 is greater than m2. If m1 is greater than m2, you will realize that m1 will move downward and m2 will move upward. Okay, and because they are connected with a string, this is a string. Okay, this is a string and it is your pulley. Okay, over this string is going. We are finding here the acceleration of the masses. Let us consider the acceleration of this mass is a downward and this mass acceleration is upward. Okay, and you can see here the acceleration of both the masses are same. Okay, why they are same? Because they are connected with the same string. If this moves some distance, 1 centimeter, the first mass also move some distance in downward direction 1 centimeter. So we can say the acceleration of these two masses are same. Okay, cool. Okay, so and if this string is tight, okay, if this string is tight, so there will be tension also. Okay, so we are finding here what are the acceleration of the masses m1 and m2 and the tension of force in the string. Okay, so we are finding a1 and a2. I told you they are same. Okay, question mark है ना, and the tension in the string, because the string is tight, so there will be a tension force in the string and that will be the same at every point on the string. It is the property of the string. Okay, okay, move to now we will see what are the steps. Okay, here are some steps to solve this problem. What problem? That problem. Okay, so first step is to choose a system. For example, a block. Okay, you can see there are two blocks. First is this m1 and second is this m2, right? Okay, so this can be our system, like this one. Okay, m1 can be our system. Okay, and m2 can also be our system. तो देयर आर टू सिस्टम्स, यू कैन से, या आप ऐसे बोल सकते हैं यू देयर आर टू ब्लॉक्स. ओके, m1 and m2. okay, so now we have chosen the system. First step, so you can see there are two systems m1 and m2, right? So first step is completed. What is the second step? Second step is take the positive direction, है ना, in the direction of, take the positive direction in the direction of the acceleration of the block. Okay, you know this is our m1 this is our m2, such that m1 is greater than m2. Okay, that since m1 is greater than m2, okay, so m1 will move downward and m2 will move upward, because this is heavier than this. Okay, and I told you the acceleration of both the masses are same, right? And second step is saying take the positive direction in the direction of the acceleration of the block. Okay, so what will be the positive direction? There are two system. I told you there are two blocks, that's why these two are the system. First one is this, second one is this, right? Okay, so for this system the positive direction in this direction, right? For this system the positive direction in that direction, in upward direction. Okay, the direction may be different for different systems. Okay, you can see here the for m1 mass the direction or positive direction in the downward direction, and the for m2 the positive direction in the upward direction, right? Okay, I think it is clear to you. Okay, yeah, move to the next step. Take the appropriate coordinates system, 1D, 2D or 3D, one dimensional, two dimensional or three dimensional. Okay, for our problem the block can move either upward or downward, right? So the motion of these two blocks, okay, so the motion of the two blocks will be either upward and upward, so we upward and downward, so we can say these two blocks will move in only one dimensional. Okay, 1D, केवल 1D में ही क्या कर सकते हैं, they can move. Okay, yeah, here is another example. Okay, let us consider a block here. Okay, to solve this problem, to solve the dynamics of this block, dynamics मतलब like regarding the forces and the acceleration, distance वगैरह, ये सब कैलकुलेट करने के लिए we have required two coordinates x and y. There is only there is a need of only one coordinate in the first example. These are two examples, this is first and this is our second example, right? Okay, so there is only a need of one coordinate y. Okay, because the blocks can move either upward and downward direction, right? Okay, yeah, this is our m1 and this is our m2. We are only interested in the first diagram because this is our problem. Okay, this is just the example of 2D, this is the example of the 2D. Okay, there may be the 3D example also. Okay, but we are highly interested in our problem. Okay, so this was the third step. The next step is make the free body diagram of the block. Now the question arises, what is the free body diagram, right? तो फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम होता क्या है, देखिए मैंने यहाँ लिखा है टू शो ऑल द फोर्सेस ऑन द बॉडी. ओके, इफ यू शो ऑल द फोर्सेस ऑन द बॉडी इट विल that diagram is called the free body diagram. Okay, जैसे for example like we are solving this problem actually, है ना? तो this is m1 and it is your m2, right? So now we are making the free body diagram of these two blocks. So take the first one. Okay, this is our m1 mass, right? Okay, what is the force, what is the force on this mass? I am considering only m1, right? So what is the force? The string will pull it, है ना, towards itself. Okay, so the tension due to the string on that mass will be denoted by the T. Okay, and there will also be a force, that is what, it is m1g, it is the weight. Okay, you denote the weight with mg. Okay, you know this thing, I think. Okay, if you know, I am telling you the weight is mg, right? अच्छा, नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट जो नेक्स्ट ब्लॉक के लिए अगर हम ड्रॉ करें तो देखिएगा, तो दिस इज आवर m2, राइट? तो देयर विल ऑल्सो बी ए टेंशन, द स्ट्रिंग विल pull it. Okay, string always pull a block, okay, towards itself. So there will be a tension, okay, and there will be the weight downward. Okay, there will be the weight of m2g. Okay, what about the acceleration of these two blocks? This will move downward with the a, this will move upward with the a, right? So this will move downward with the a and this will move upward with the a acceleration, right? Okay, so this is our free body diagram. This is the free body diagram of the first one. Okay, this is the free body diagram of the first one, and it is the free body diagram of the second one. ठीक, तो fourth task is completed. Okay, okay, that's nice. Okay, so here you can ask me the question कि why sir you are choosing the tension for both the blocks is same. You can see here I am denoting it by T and here also I am denoting by T. ठीक है ना? If the you can remember this point, this is very important point. That is what? That is if I am writing here, if the masses are connected with same string, okay, the tension will be same. Tension will be same on both. Okay, I'm ran out with the space. Okay, कोई बात नहीं है ना, I think it is clear to you. Okay, so these two are the free body diagram, and I told you some important point. If the masses are connected with the same tension, with the same I should write here the same string, same के बाद ये है string, the tension will be same on the both blocks. Okay, cool. Okay, so first fourth task is completed. Now move to the next task. That is what? Make the equations for each body by the Newton's second law. Okay, Newton's second law की help से हमें equations लिखनी है इसकी. You know the Newton's second law. What is that? F net for a body है ना, F net total force on the body is equals to what? Mass of the body into the acceleration of that body, right? Okay, so make the equations. For making the equation we need the free body diagram of both the bodies, है ना? Okay, so we have drawn already these two diagrams. Okay, again we are doing this. Okay, okay, so this is our m1, this is our m2, right? Okay, okay, see this is our m1. Okay, the weight will be downward, m1g, right? Okay, the tension will be upward, T. Okay, I told you the positive direction is chosen in the direction of the acceleration. Okay, so the acceleration of the first block is downward, that's why the positive direction should be downward for first mass. Okay, and the acceleration also in the downward direction, right? Okay, okay, तो make the equations है ना. फिफ्थ जो task है we are doing here, because the positive direction in the downward direction. Okay, so m1g will be positive. We are using the formula this F net is equals to MA. Okay, so F net is equals to M1A. Why I am writing M1? Because we are drawing the free body diagram of M1. Okay, so F net, what is the net force on the M1? Right, you can see here tension is upward and M1G is downward. Right, okay, so M1G is downward. Right, so and we are considering the direction in a positive direction, in the downward direction, you can see here, because the acceleration is in the downward direction. Right, okay, so we will write positive M1G because it is in the direction of the positive. Okay, minus what, tension is upward but the positive direction is downward, that's why we are writing minus T. Right, is equals to M1A. Okay, we are considering it as equation number first. This is our first equation. Okay, let's do work on the second equation. Right, second equation के लिए we have to again draw the free body diagram of this. We already draw this. Okay, it will take few seconds. Okay, okay, this is our M1 mass, M2 mass, sorry, है ना, M2 this mass. The weight of the mass will be downward. Right, okay, and tension will be upward. Tension is always string will always pull the block or a system. Okay, that's why T is upward, and here the positive direction in upward direction. Okay, this is different. This is different from the first one. Okay, okay, the step is make the equation by Newton's second law. Okay, तो second law क्या कहता है, F net is equals to mass of the body is m2 times the acceleration, because the acceleration of the both the bodies is same. Okay, but the direction is different. Okay, this is in the upward direction and it is in the downward. Right, okay, so F net we are writing the F net for second body. The positive direction in this case is upward, that's why we will write the positive T minus. Right, M2G is downward direction and positive direction is upward, that's why this will be written as minus M2G. Right, minus M2G is equals to M2A, and this is equation, our second equation. This is our second equation. Okay, cool. Okay, now solve these two equations. देखिए, we have completed the fifth task. What was that? That was make the equation for each body by Newton's second law. Okay, so these are two systems, and we have written these two equations. This is first and second. Okay, now move to the sixth task. That is what, simply solve the equation and get the answer. Okay, तो हमारे पास जो equations आई थी, ये था M1. Right, okay, this is M1G and there was a tension, and it is M2G and there was a tension upward, and this was moving in the upward direction with the A acceleration, and that was moving with the A acceleration in the downward direction. Okay, okay, that's nice. Now we get the equation. What was that? The first equation was M1G minus T is equals to M1A. That was our first equation, and second equation was T minus M2G is equals to what, M2A. That was the second equation. Okay, now solve this equation. We can solve in 10th class we studied this, how to solve these equations. We can see here there are two variables T and A. There are two variables. Okay, M1 and M2 are known and G also known. Okay, these are the constant in this problem. Okay, yeah, so add these two equations. So equation 1 added with the equation 2. Right, okay, So how will you add? You will add left hand side with the left hand side with the left hand side, and right hand side with the right hand side. Okay. Okay, just add them. So in the first equation, the left hand side is m1 g minus t. Okay. In the second equation, the left hand side is what? Plus, we are adding these two now. Okay, we are adding equation first and second, right? Okay. So this is m1 g minus t, and we are adding with this equation, that is plus t minus m2g. Okay, we added these two equations, these two sides, okay, of first and second equation. This is the first side, this is the left side of first equation, and it is the left side of the second equation, right? Okay. And you will also add the right hand side. Okay, so this is m1a plus m2 what a, right? Okay, you can see here what there, this is minus t, this is plus t, they will cancel each other. You will get what? m1 minus m2. Okay, I'm writing m1g minus m2g is equals to what? m1 plus m2. Okay, and the acceleration, right? Okay. So what will be the acceleration? Acceleration will be, you can solve this equation. Okay, we will solve it to the next page. Okay, there is a thanks, it's okay, we can solve here also. Okay, yeah. So m1g, you can take the g. Okay, you can take the g as a common. So m1 minus m2, okay, or into g upon, this will become I think I should write in the next page. Okay, so if I take the common g, and there was m1 plus m2 into what? A. So this will go in the downstairs, or we can say in the denominator. Okay, m1 plus m2. Okay, तो acceleration हमने find out कर लिया acceleration. Okay, if we know the acceleration, we can calculate what? We can calculate the tension also. Okay, you know the first equation, so we can write now the from the first equation. Okay, what was that? m1g minus t is equals to m1a. I think this was our equation. Yeah. Okay, so you can equation 1 you know. Okay, this is our equation number 1. We are just writing it here. Okay, so t is equals to, you will get, और t को right पे ले आओ. Okay, so this will m1g minus m1a. Put the value of the a. Okay, what is the value of the a? This is equation number 3rd. Equation 3rd से we can write a value. So m1g minus m1, because we want to find out the t. Okay, the question was asked, find the a1 a2, the acceleration of the both the blocks and the tension in the string also, right? Okay. Okay, so put the value of the a, so m1 minus m2 upon what? m1 plus m2. This is the thing, right? Is equals to what? A. Okay, now we can solve this. Okay, now we are solving this and get the answer. I think I should write the t here. Okay, t, because t was there. Okay, so solve this this one. The LCM will be m1 plus m2. Okay, m1 plus m2, and you will get, you can take out the g as a common, because there was also a g. Okay, तो जी अगर कॉमन ले लेते हैं आप तो आपको क्या मिलेगा देखिए, तो यहाँ मिल जाएगा, इसकी मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी इसमें, तो दिस विल बी m1 स्क्वायर प्लस m2 m1, right? If we multiply m1 in this bracket, we will get minus m1 square or minus plus m2 m1, right? Okay, is equals to what? T. So you can see here these two, m1 square and m1 square will cancel each other. You will get what? You will get 2 m1 m2 into g upon, I think you can see, okay, 2, what will we get? 2 m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2 is equals to t. तो जो टास्क था हमारा, we have completed that. Okay, so first one is the acceleration of the both will be, the magnitude of the acceleration of both the blocks is this m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m2 into g, right? And the tension in the string will be what? 2 m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2, right? Okay. Okay, let's a quick recap of our topic. Okay, so in this class we studied how to solve the physics problem by the Newton's second law, that is the Newton's second law, right? So first step was we are solving the problem with the help of the a question, right? So what is the question? Question is find out the acceleration of these two masses and the tension in the string, right? Okay, so we will solve this with the help of the F is equals to ma simply, right? Okay, but there are some steps. You cannot do this question without these steps. Okay, this is very versatile method. Okay. Okay, so first step was choose the system. There are two systems, m1 and m2. Okay, and then take the positive direction in the direction of the acceleration of the block. So acceleration of this one is downward, that's why the positive, downward, or for acceleration of this mass, because the acceleration of this mass is upward, that's why we are taking the positive direction in the upward direction, right? Okay, and third one was the choose the appropriate coordinate system, right? Okay, so in our problem only one coordinate is needed. Okay, the motion in is only in the one dimension. Okay, right? Okay, fourth step was to make the free body diagram. What is free body diagram? That was to just शो द ऑल द फोर्सेस ऑन द बॉडी, ठीक है ना, जो भी बॉडी है उस पर सारे फोर्सेस आप शो कर दीजिए इन द डायग्राम. यू कैन सी हियर द m1 पर अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में t लगेगा और नीचे उसका वेट होगा m1g. सिमिलरली हमने m2 के लिए भी लिख लिया. ओके, एंड आई टोल्ड यू इफ द मासेस आर कनेक्टेड विद द सेम स्ट्रिंग, ठीक है ना, इफ द सेम स्ट्रिंग, राइट, द टेंशन विल बी सेम ऑन द बोथ द ब्लॉक्स. ओके, या this is what to remember. Okay. Okay, the next was make the equations. If you know the free body diagram, you can make the equation by Newton's second law. You can see here, now we are using the Newton's second law. It's not mean that all the steps previously are not important. They are very important. Okay, without these you cannot use this formula. F net is equals to ma. Okay, ठीक. So we draw the free body diagram of both of two masses. Okay, and make the equations like that. Okay, that's nice. And solve these equations. This is just the mathematical task. Okay, we have learnt these things to how to solve the equation in the 10th standard. Okay, although I told you in detail. Okay, yeah. So there are two variables. You can see we want to find out t and a, right? Okay, so we add these two equation and find out the acceleration easily. Okay, ठीक. And by finding the acceleration a, we put the a in the equation 1. You can see, okay, a, we take the m1a in the left hand side and t in the right hand side, and put the a value. A value was m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m2 into g. Okay, you can learn this a in a very simple way. That is what, that is differences over sum. You can see m1 minus m2, this is m1 plus m2, so you can say differences over sum into the g will give you the acceleration for this particular problem, right? Okay, okay, we put the value of the a, yeah, okay, and just solve. Take the LCM, okay, multiply the this m1 m2 into the m1, and we get this, and multiply this m1 into the bracket thing, my m1 minus m2, we get this. Okay, and you will see m1 square minus m2 square will cancel each other, and we will get the nice answer to m1 m2 over m1 plus m2. I hope you understand this concept. Okay, and thank you very much. Have a nice day.